Welcome to Lockout ID. It's the only Smart LOTO Tag System on the market, and it's patent pending. You are just steps away from unlocking efficiency in your LOTO Tag program. Let's start at the beginning. First things first. Let's create your Supervisor account and your company profile. Onboarded tags are scoped to a supervisor. Tags that are onboarded by a supervisor are manageable only by that supervisor. You can scan the top of the box or log onto the portal to sign up. It's recommended that you sign up with your company email. Once you create the account, you'll need to verify your account via an email link that we sent. We use the security check to keep the system safe. Supervisor accounts are free to create. You only pay licenses for the tags that you purchase. Now let's walk through the company's setup process the first time we sign in. Setting up a company is critical to summarize users and tags for that company. Now that we have our Supervisor account, let's show you the two ways of onboarding tags. Supervisor onboarding is accomplished by scanning the QR code on any non-onboarded tag. Mass onboarding is accomplished by generating a fast start code. First, generate a fast start code. Then print it out. You can then pass out new or cleared tags to users. Have the users first scan the fast start code and then scan a tag. All onboarded tags are brought in and available for management under the Supervisor account that generated the fast start code. Now let's wrap up by exploring how shift status makes starting and stopping work easier to track. When a worker is ready to start work, simply tap and watch the status change. When work is over, simply tap again. Thank you for joining me for this onboarding walkthrough. Your license grants you important features like support, updates, and RMAs for damage tags. Welcome to the Lockout ID family. Let's keep each other safe.